I figured I'd do a little eat with me too. Why not, right? All I do is sit and eat, so might as well show you it. Show it to you. Yes, yes, yes. So, how are you guys all today? Any plans for the weekend? Any of that good stuff? I know we got some plans, but they're secret plans, so I can't tell you. It's a secret. I actually did really good on this steak. You gotta have some A1. You guys like A1? I like A1 in my meatloaf too. Oh, it's so good. So I figured I'd do a little eat with me video while I'm eating alone. Nobody ever eats alone, do they? No, actually, Haley's here. Tib's still at work. Steak is so good. I do have good steak sometimes. Oh, there we go. Always, let me know what you have. I know I should have made a vegetable with this, but oh well. Guys, I should show you guys my food, just in case you don't watch the other video. That's what I'm having. Mac and cheese with a grilled steak. You want to watch my other video? I prepared it. And did a lot of other fun things. I have too. So go check it out. I may go live a little later. I'm not sure though. Then again, I might not. I'm not sure though. It's muggy out there again today. Not it rained as much as it normally does. Not as much as they said it was going to, so that's pretty nice. Might go out in a little bit and play some cornhole. You played it the other day. It's pretty fun, besides the sun in your eyeballs. I made some hole-in-ones a couple times. Boom, boom, right in. Then I didn't do nothing after that. But hey, what time is it? It's 4 p.m. We may jump in the pool. I'm a big baby when it comes to the pool, though. I don't like it when the water is cold. Oh.
It's nice when it's a little bit warm.
But like someone in the comment mentioned, it's not supposed to be bath water, which is true, it's not. Yeah, that's true, it's not. Mac and cheese turned out excellent. I could eat those all day, every day. If they're made right. I know they're good kind. I don't like those cheap, nasty box ones. You know, that's 89 cents. I ain't shaming anybody that does. Cause they likes them. You like them, you like them. It's your taste bud, it's not mine. Oh, so good. So good, so good. I've been looking at some things to go maybe on a train ride. It's like a couple-hour train ride. Or you can have, that's what I like. Dinner on a train ride, too. They have several ones. They have one at Christmas. But you got to book that way in advance. Like, way in advance. It's about to get filled like that. And they only do it once a week. Or maybe twice. I'm not sure. I'll have to check that out. But I know a couple people that did it and they said they're busy. You gotta get on it quickly. I'll give me some water first. Or first. Real quick. You guys probably would never known it if I hadn't told you. I love water when I'm eating. Don't know why, but I do. So as you guys see, I was trying to get back into my cooking videos. Even if it's the same old stuff that I've already had on my channel, you know what? I'm just going to do it. You gotta watch it or don't watch it, it don't matter. To me personally, my favorite YouTubers, I watch them. No matter if they are doing the same old thing. Because they're my faves and I love them. Love their videos, you know? So, I don't think it really matters. It'll be up to you. I love doing YouTube. It's fun. So, this is the way it's gonna be. I just live an everyday, normal life, you know? Now, we would love to make enough money where we could just pack up and go traveling. That's our dream. It really seriously is. Chum and I both want to do it. So, we'll have to wait and see. You guys could share me out and stuff like that. Help me out. Be much appreciated. I'll tell you what, you guys. If you got a Kroger's in your area, their meat is so good. It's so good. Telling you. It is the best. It is the best. I'm focusing on losing weight, I'm telling you. This month, June, it's going to be my month. I feel like I only got a little bit of macaroni, trust me. I could eat a bunch more. Bunch more. But this is my first meal. Just wasn't hungry. So also I'm trying to focus on just eating when I'm hungry. There's a lot of times I'll eat just because it's good. You know, that's crazy. When you got foodie, and no, I'm not talking about foodie beauty. Just being a foodie, period. What you do? Gotta train your mind to change your body. That's what I was told. Train your mind to change your body. Yep. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there. All ladies out there that's doing it too, we'll get there. Now the sun went away. I know we'll make it. Stuff on my Band-Aid. I usually change it and clean it when shower time. Almost done, guys. I need to eat a little faster. I'm taking way too long. Someone in the comments said don't eat when you... Don't drink anything while you're eating. Oh, I cannot do that. It dries your mouth out. I've never heard of such thing. Don't drink while you're eating. Why? Water help fill you up. Oh, I know what's on tonight. Amber Lynn's supposed to be live tonight. Amber Lynn Reed. No, I'm not a paid member. I just watch. Okay, guys, I'm all done. That was good. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. And sharing me out. Thank you so much for all your support. Lovers and haters. It don't matter. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Love you all. Bye.